Hey guys, it's Wendy from Wendy's Eating Show, and today is Easter, and it's already late, as you guys can see. You guys are able to tell the time by my window. If it's dark, that means that's already late. But today is Easter. Happy Easter. Let me know what you guys did. And yes, you guys, I was supposed to go out. Hey, those freaking fruit flies. You know what? I know in this room I have 0 fruit flies, pero ya sé por qué. Por cochina se vinieron. Porque I left the piece of pickle. Remember the pickle that I didn't eat? I left it on my table, and the freaking fruit flies small followed the scents, and they got to my room. So that's on me. That's on me. So any little thing, whatever, is gonna make freaking fruit flies. So today vamos a comer tacos. Tacos de caca, 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 Every time I hear tacos, that's the first thing that comes into my mind, like tacos de caca, tacos de caca, And then I have some orange juice, so heavy. So today's makeup is not inspired by anybody but me, and I was like, what should I do to my hair? Oh, my little thingy fell. But basically, this is all the hair I have on this side. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna release my stress on my face. So I'm just doing random makeup things on my face. So that's why the randomness, makeup out of nowhere. Juguito. And then these tacos are just gonna be plain Jane because así soy de aburrida. No, just kidding, guys. So the only thing I need is salsa. That's like the only thing I need, or a chile a mordidas. But I just don't feel like going out, you know, like I don't feel like going out at all. My self-esteem is like extremely oh, low. You guys did not see that. You guys did not just see a little bloop of cream fly across the room. And you guys, oh my god, you guys. So I've been trying to buy like healthier options. I'm not like I haven't. You guys might think that, Wendy, are you gonna be eating healthier? Okay, pedo, you know? Because I've seen those messages. You guys are like, Wendy, like, eat healthier. Like, I've seen those messages. But believe it or not, like, ever since my hair started falling out, like, I started making like better choices. And sorry, one of those choices was buying organic or like 100% grass-fed meats. And is it just me, or like does organic meat have like a little smell to it? Like it's a little sus, you know? Like I was like, no, because I bought some meat in Trader Joe's. Oh, and by the way, I'm putting queso fresco. I bought some meat in Trader Joe's, and I found myself like trying to mask like the scents and also like a flavor. It's kind of like a little bit stronger. Like, I don't know, like, and then I was like, you know what? The meat was probably like about to expire. It wasn't bad. It's not, it doesn't, it's just not like the one I'm used to. Like, I buy my just regular, like, I buy lean meat at the grocery store, but I wanted to buy like more better quality, if that makes sense. So yeah, I bought some at Trader Joe's, and I noticed that, and I was like, you know what? Costco's babe, and he never fails me. So oh, you guys did not see that. I was like, and I bought a 3-pack organic meat thing, and it was the same thing. I was like, ay, Dios mío. No, so it is a thing, you know, like But I just want to know if you guys notice that too. It's good. It's juicier. It's definitely juicier. But there's just like a little stronger scent to it, you know? All I need is my chile, some type of salsa. I have a Valentina right here, but no. These are supposed to be tears. And like that, I finished my drink. Oh my god. I haven't told the story. Fruit fly. Sorry guys. My life consists of fighting with fruit flies. Oh yeah, so oh my god, sad story now that I remember about my drink. This happened when I was maybe like, I want to say like 3 or 4 years old. Sorry, I got all my makeup over here. Huh. I don't know if it's like a Mexican thing, Hispanic thing, but when kids are eating, parents don't usually like to give you anything to drink because you'll get full of juice or water or whatever they're giving you as a drink, right? So back then, my mom was going to school. And I remember that she would leave us with the babysitter. And I remember this babysitter. Hey! I'm sorry. So I remember this babysitter. She made us food and it was really spicy. Like the first spoonful that I took, it was like really spicy. And I was like, this is really spicy. Can I get something to drink? She was like, no, you're gonna eat all your food and then you're gonna drink something, and you're not gonna drink something if you don't eat your food. So that traumatized me. That traumatized me, and I always remember it. They said that they say come over here. I'm ready to throw hands. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. Oh, see, they're coming for my mango because I have a mango. Oh, I forgot to show it to you guys, huh? I have a mango aquí. Mango. So yeah, they say that you remember the most traumatic events in your childhood, and that is one of the most traumatic events. I don't remember if I finished the food or what, but I remember that I was like crying that it was spicy. So yes, I understand that a lot of kids, like, they'll drink their juice or the water first, but like, it's important to have at least something to drink next to a child or a kid, just in case the food is like spicy or they start choking. I thought I had like something in my tongue. But yes, you guys, don't do that. It's traumatizing. So you can't trust you can't trust nobody around your kids. Like, That's why I have never left nobody. I have never left my son with nobody. Like, nope, if it wasn't my mom. Excuse me? Yeah, no. And also, sorry. These chocolates are so good. Oh, that's a pimple. Also, I didn't want to date nobody until my son could, like, yeah, until he could do that too. Until he was, like, he could speak and express all his emotions and all of that. So I took like 5 years without dating until he was big. Muchas. Oh, those tacos are so good. I feel like I'm gonna get full and I'm not gonna be able to eat my mango. Oh well. Tacos. Vamos a darle un pedazo de taco acá al chillón. I put it on a piece of aluminum. Oh. Today is Easter, you guys, so let me know what you guys did. Did you guys look for eggs? I told my son, like, son, where's the Tajin? He's like, the what? I'm like, the Tajin. He's like, I don't know what is that. I'm like, is that tahine? He's like, oh. And now we call it, just to play around, I'm like, where's my Tajin? Tajin, but it's tahine. Tahine. Okay, guys. I need a chile. My favorite meat is the ground beef. You know, I'm not like a meat fan. I'm not a big meat fan. I mean, I take it back. Yeah. Yeah. Where is that freaking? I mean, okay, yeah, for reals, yeah. Stop joking around. So, I'm not really like a big meat fan. Okay, yeah, for reals, yeah. I'm not a big meat fan. Like, I don't really eat meat. Okay, yeah. I can't. Okay, yeah. I do like this meat, like, but you know, Oh, there it is. So, you know what? I cannot control my laughter. I got kicked out of class. My teacher got so pissed one time for not me being able to like stop laughing. My teacher got so pissed, he slammed the table. He was like, stop laughing, because me and my best friend were like hilariously laughing, like we were dying. It's like, stop laughing. He got so red. He slammed his hand on the table. He was like, stop laughing, girl, stop. And he was just like, I give up. I can't do it anymore. And he was like, you and you out of my class. He kicked us out of his class, but I just can't, like, I cannot be serious in a like serious situation. I laugh, like, even though like it has to be serious, like I laugh and I can't control myself. And I don't know if it's a curse or it's something good, because laughing like supposedly makes you live longer. But yes, but anyways, yeah, I'm not a big meat eater because my mom didn't like really feed us meat growing up. She was not a vegan, but she just made like other stuff. Like she'll make like pozole with chicken, and then she'll make enchiladas with cheese, and then she'll make beans, lentejas, huevo. If she did buy meat, she'll buy ground beef, or she'll buy milanesa, like the really thin ones. So yeah, I'm not like a big meat eater, but occasionally if I go to like a place and I find brisket, or is it brisket, is it pulled pork, is that brisket? But yeah, I really like that. So unless like I told my mom that I want to go to what is that one place called? It's really popular. They have like popular hot buns, and what is that place? Something Roadhouse. Texas Roadhouse. There we go. Like, I want to go there because their steak looks really good. But yeah. The end. I'm gonna get you. Yes, this is part of my air fryer. This is like a random like a piece I didn't use because I just bought it like 2 months ago, and I left this piece out. Sorry guys. Oh, I'm afraid to try this mango because it looks like it's sour. Let me try it. Oh, okay, it's not sour. I thought it was gonna be sour. That fruit fly is gonna drive me nuts. Okay, let's put a little bit of just put a little bit of this, my favorite chamoy. Put a little bit because I must sneeze with the Tajin. I don't want to sneeze, but I don't want to get dirty. That's what I was trying to say. I don't want to get dirty. Now let's put some of this Miguelito. There you go. Oh, I got a good taste of the tagine. Oh, that was saladito. Oh, I got to a little sour piece, but yeah, you guys, that's gonna be all. Happy Easter Day. I hope you guys enjoy my little late night eating shows. Don't forget to subscribe to Wendy's Eating Show. Don't forget to subscribe to Familia con Wendy. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok and Familia con Wendy, Wendy's Eating Show. So yeah, that's gonna be all. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.